Psalm 18 is into play in your life. I heard your cries. And it's time that I wipe all the tears from your eyes. Great shame is about to fall upon all those who betrayed you and abandoned you. What you have went through and are going through in your life hasn't been easy. If it's anyone who understands you, it's me. When people hurt you, they hurt me. Those visions I gave you are now coming to pass. And as we speak, you're stepping on really green grass. I'm really proud of you. And I know that you have a lot of hurt inside of you. And I know that you've had mommy and daddy issues all your life. And that has caused you a lot of strength. And if it wasn't for me, you would have taken your life. The altar of suicide that's in you is being broken and released from you right now. All the cobwebs and spider webs working against you are being torn down right now. All forms of witchcraft, curses, hexes, vexes, spells, incantations, enchantments, hoodoo, voodoo, jinn, santeria, obia, charms, rituals and blood sacrifices and love spells and teleportation spells and witchcraft manipulation and witchcraft gang stalking and death curses and evil projections that have been done and spoken against you and your loved ones, and that has been done and spoken against everything that you guys have and own, and everything that pertains to you is being reversed right now. And all the portholes that Satan has opened up concerning all of this is being closed and cast into the abyss right now. And the four winds are going back to normal concerning all of this right now. I'm so glad that you're holding out. Because the one that I have picked out for you will be the best, without a doubt. There's been temptations all around you. But you're behaving and you're letting me hide you. All spider spirits that are working against you are being destroyed right now. All evil altars and shrines that are working against you are being destroyed right now. And everything that was stolen from you and your family through these evil altars and shrines is being given back to you guys by angels right now. Your destiny is being given back to you right now. You're about to have a great encounter with me. And you're not going to come out the same. You will come out brand new. It will be you, the real you. The enemy's done a lot of damage to you. And when you consecrate yourself and do what I tell you to do, it's perfect. It's divine. I'm going to keep showing you that I'm right here with you. And always remember that no one will love you the way that I love you. That's it.